Well, this is about a little after 12 on Saturday, February 9th, right after the big blizzard. Uh, this is the parking lot where I live, and as you can see, the driveway is completely covered in snow up to about 3 feet. There's my truck there. It's partially uncovered, and over to the side of it you'll see two cars that are still mostly buried. They were totally buried earlier, but looks as though the wind took some of the snow away. There's about 3 feet of snow covering the entire driveway. Right now, the uh, roads are completely impassable. There have not been any plows by at all yet. The roads at this point are all still closed, so I don't see us getting out of our driveways in the near future, but where are we going to go anyway? So stay home and have some fun.